My name is Gayathri G Menon and I am studying in Soccorso Convent Girls High School Mala from grade 8. Today I am here just not to conversate, to talk and to convey the importance of time in our new generation life. Time is very precious and priceless, so we should not waste it and we want to use it in an according positively manner. Let your kids know about the value of time there from childhood, like easily and writings from the basics of time. The school provided various value of time to make the children's time very easy. Easy paragraph writing, paragraph recreation will make it more stronger in school or colleges. Time is more than money, as money can spend earned be back. However, once we spend time, we can ever earn it back. There is a common saying, time and tide never waits for none. It's a comment as extents of earth in human life. And it will never stop for anyone. So we should use our time in positively meaningful purpose in any stage of fulfill our moments. And it is running without any stoppage. So why we cannot? Time is very precious and powerful, so we want to respect it in any stage of our life to fulfill some single moments. And it is very powerful and strong. So it will make a destroy a lazy person or a hard work person how they drop it. And it will give a lot of happiness, prosperity in our life, or how such we use it. So I'm not taking you more time because it's very precious and I wish you a nice day. Thank you.